WTC SYSTEMS L.L.C, providing tailored solutions for your specific need for all verticals across the industry. With a well-equipped experience center to showcase all solutions and provide training support. WTC SYSTEMS L.L.C provides world-class innovative technology products and solutions in the specified field of connectivity. We provide quality products and services to all our valued customers in professional AV, data center solutions. Our team of experienced professionals are dedicated in providing the highest quality of service and support, ensuring that our clients are able to achieve their desired outcomes. We are committed to delivering the best possible solutions and services to our clients. Our abundant experience and knowledge to provide faster responses and technical support right from designing the solution and systems. Our warehouse is the hub of our operations. We store and distribute our products to customers across the world. We strive to provide our customers with the best service possible, and our warehouse is an integral part of that commitment. WTC SYSTEMS L.L.C. We are a leading value-added distributor in the field of information transformation system, ITS, and professional audio-video solutions. We bring to you world-class innovation and technology at one place. We are authorized distributors of A10, Digibird, Optimus, Logic, Newline, and WaveNet.